All right, all week long, heat index values will be above 110 in the afternoon, so exercise caution. Of course, we had a wind advisory today, and we're likely to see a wind advisory Tuesday and Wednesday as well, with those gusts approaching 40 miles per hour. So does the heat let off a little bit for the July 4 weekend? No, not really. 93, our official high temperature in Brownsville. Now, the temperatures are right at normal. 102, the record, that was set back in 1980 for Harlingen today. Also a normal day at 94. 106 the record, 2013. For McAllen, a below normal day at 96 degrees, though it felt a lot hotter. 97 is normal. 104 the record set in 2013. The hot spot, Rio Grande City at 98. That was the town that made it up to 113 in a heat index earlier today. 95 for Edinburgh, 94 Raymondville, 92 on the island and Port Isabel, 95 for Weslaco today. Finally the winds backing off a little bit, but they're not really going to get any lighter than they are right now. About 10 to 20 miles per hour. It's going to remain a pretty steady wind through the night tonight. On the satellite radar composite, of course, the mountains of Mexico are effective thunderstorm producers, but they fall apart before they make it to the valley, and that's the way it's going to be for several days. We'll get partly cloudy skies at night, sort of the drift over clouds, but the general trend over the next few days is we're going to watch this big dome of high pressure over the Gulf kind of scoot in toward eastern Mexico and South Texas, reaching its maximum on Wednesday, which I suspect could be among the hottest day, if not the hottest day. Here are the temperatures right now: 83 Brownsville, 83 Harlingen, 83 in McAllen, and 88 in Rio Grande City. Your day planner for tomorrow: it's going to be a beautiful day. We'll see a few clouds in the afternoon. Of course, the winds will pick up and be gusting to about 40 miles per hour, and high temperatures will go up. 97 Lower Valley and 101 potentially in the Upper Valley tomorrow. So watch out for that heat index. Let's get you a tropical weather update, sponsored by Pronto Insurance. One area of concern off the northern coast of South America, 10% chance that develops into a tropical cyclone next 48 hours. And we have what is Tropical Depression 4E forming right here just southwest of the tip of Baja California. It is expected to meander a little bit to the north, possibly strengthen. We'll be watching that closely. Here's your pollen forecast. A 4.2 in the low range today. It actually stays exactly the same for tomorrow at 4.2. 95 out on the island, lots of sunshine, plenty of wind out there in the afternoon. 80 the low temperature Lower Valley, 81 in the Upper Valley for tonight. And then tomorrow, 97 in the Lower Valley, 101 in the Upper. And again, watch out, the heat index value above 110, so that's very hot in the afternoon. Here comes your long range forecast. Now, the trend is pretty clear. I've popped up that high temperature on Wednesday, and Thursday could be just as hot. 98 Lower Valley, 103 in the Upper on Wednesday. On Thursday, 97 and 101. Then we cruise into our holiday weekend. Oh my goodness, yes, 96 and 100 on Friday. 97 lower, 101 in the Upper Valley on Saturday. We will be back to windy. I put it at breezy Thursday and Friday with winds at about 25 to 30 miles per hour. Gets a little stronger on Saturday, a little stronger still on Sunday. But unless I see a break in any of this pattern, we're going to stay right here. Partly cloudy skies, and I see at least a chance of a few drops next Monday. Don't go anywhere, because Brenda's back with more news when Local 23 returns in just a moment.